Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Lichybees Exim. Today we are diving into the versatile world of non-woven interlining fabric. Whether you are a seasoned seamstress or a beginner exploring the art of weaving, non-woven interlining fabric offers unmatched flexibility and functionality. One of the key benefits of non-woven interlining fabric is its ability to enhance the structure and durability of your garments. By simply adding a layer of non-woven interlining fabric, you can achieve a professional finish that withstands the test of time. With crisp collars or defined curves, this fabric ensures that your creations maintain their shape and style. But it's not just about functionality. Non-woven interlining fabric comes in variety of weights and textures, allowing you to customize your projects to suit any design aesthetic. Whether you are working on a DIY project at home or creating a collection for your fashion show, non-woven interlining fabric is your secret weapon. So, are you ready to elevate your weaving game? Contact us on the number given below or visit our website to explore the endless possibilities with non-woven interlining fabric. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such products. Be innovative and sustainable. Thank you.